Hi friends, Britt here today with a quick video, and we are going to be talking about floor bridges today, which is a great exercise for your hips, your booty, your core, and your legs. Now I'm going to also be giving you a slight modification in case you have any back issues, and that's going to be for a pelvic tilt. So we're going to go ahead and start with the position you're going to be in, which is going to be laying down on the back. We all like that, right? Nice and easy. And then we're going to have your toes painted straight forward, right in line with those hips, about hip width apart. Hands are going to be on the floor, shoulder blades down, rolled back and against the floor. Now for the pelvic tilt, I want you to go ahead, take your belly button, squeeze it into the spine nice and tight, like I'm going to go ahead and punch you, although I would never do that. And you're just going to tilt up with that booty, keeping your lower back on the ground, and just make a little tiny tilt. Squeeze that booty up and back down. Squeeze, so just a little tiny motion there. All right. Again, if you have any back issues, make sure that you talk to your practitioner that you see regarding those back issues to discuss with them how much more you want to be doing than just this simple pelvic tilt. All right, now if you want to go ahead and take it into that bridge, we're going to go ahead, again, squeeze that booty and that belly, and we want to raise it up and take it back down again. Raise it up. Now this is our bridge. Nice and straight line from our knee all the way up to those shoulders. Belly button squeeze into that spine. And a couple options you can do. You could go ahead and do a little pulse up here at the top, not letting that booty come down. You could let that booty come down almost to the ground, but hover and then bring it back up again. All right, and then with those hips up in that straight line, you can open those knees just a little bit and close them. Open those knees just a little bit, keeping everything activated. All right, that's another little option you can have there. Now, if that is feeling like you want to go ahead and take it up a notch, you can do single leg bridges, and that you're going to take one foot and you're going to place it in line with that hip. Other leg is going to be either straight out, straight up. You can do bent knee, whichever you like, and then you're going to go ahead and lift that hip up, get down, lift those hips up nice and straight line. All right, and then you're going to do that same thing with the other foot. Drop that down, leg up again, straight out or bent. Up you go, and back down again. So those are some variations that you can go ahead and include in your workouts, those hip bridges. You can add a little bit of weight on there also in those hips if you're feeling a little feisty, and you can do that with some dumbbells or maybe a nice long barbell. So I hope that was helpful for you. If so, go ahead and give a little tap on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like that, be sure and subscribe. And you can watch this video right now, and that'll give you one to watch now and more coming up in your feed. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.